Over 65 fruits that rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia. Have you ever felt that little extra weight when climbing stairs, or noticed how lifting something off the floor takes more effort than it used to? It's a small change, but it can leave you wondering, what happened to that strength you once had? Aging is inevitable, but that doesn't mean we have to lose the vitality that makes life so fulfilling. What if I told you there's a way to keep your muscles strong using something as simple and delicious as fruit? No pills, no complicated workouts, just nature's own solutions. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to 5 amazing fruits that can help fight muscle loss and keep you active well into your golden years. Stick with me to the end because the #1 fruit on this list might just surprise you. It's likely sitting in your kitchen right now. 1. Avocado. Let's start with something creamy, delicious, and surprisingly powerful, the avocado. While we often think of avocados as great for heart health, they're also one of your best allies in fighting muscle loss as you age. As we get older, many of us begin to feel like everyday activities, like walking upstairs or bending down to pick something up, require more effort than before. This gradual loss of strength, known as sarcopenia, is a normal part of aging. But what if I told you that eating something as simple and delicious as avocado could help fight it? Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats and essential nutrients that reduce inflammation, a key factor in muscle breakdown. As we age, chronic inflammation often goes unnoticed, silently damaging muscle tissue and making it harder for your body to rebuild strength. Avocados help fight this by reducing inflammation, giving your muscles a better chance to repair themselves and stay strong. But that's not all. Avocados are a fantastic source of potassium, even more than bananas. Potassium plays a crucial role in helping muscles contract properly. This is vital because muscle contraction is key for everything from maintaining balance to simply picking things up off the floor. Along with magnesium, another mineral found in avocados, potassium helps prevent muscle cramps and supports healthy muscle function. Avocados are also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when free radicals damage your cells, including muscle fibers, contributing to muscle loss and aging. By adding avocados to your diet, you're not only helping your muscles repair and rebuild, but also protecting them from future damage. In addition, avocados contain fiber, which is excellent for digestion and regulating blood sugar. For those managing diabetes or anyone who wants to avoid blood sugar spikes, avocados are a great option. Stable blood sugar levels lead to steady energy, which is key for staying active throughout the day. Studies have shown that consuming more monounsaturated fats like those found in avocados can help older adults maintain better mobility and lower their risk of frailty. Research has also found that lutein, a carotenoid in avocados, is linked to better muscle strength and physical function. This means avocado doesn't just help preserve your muscle mass, it helps them work more efficiently, which is especially important for staying active and independent as we age. Incorporating avocado into your meals is easy. You can spread it on toast, add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or even eat it straight with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. One of my personal favorites is to slice it on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon juice. It's simple, delicious, and provides the nutrients you need to stay strong and energetic. So the next time you grab an avocado, remember, it's more than just a tasty snack. It's a powerhouse for your muscles, packed with healthy fats, potassium, and antioxidants to keep you strong, mobile, and independent. Whether you're trying to support muscle repair or prevent future muscle loss, avocado is a simple and effective addition to your diet. 2. Tart cherry. Next up, let's talk about the vibrant, delicious tart cherry. These little red gems might be small, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to fighting muscle loss and inflammation. As we get older, our muscles naturally begin to weaken, and we may feel more aches and pains after simple activities. But tart cherries offer a natural and powerful way to help your body recover, reduce soreness, and boost your overall well-being. The secret to their muscle-repairing power lies in a group of compounds called anthocyanins, which give tart cherries their deep, rich color. These anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body, and inflammation is often at the root of muscle pain and stiffness. When you eat or drink tart cherries, you're helping to calm this internal inflammation, allowing your muscles to feel less sore and recover faster. This can make a world of difference if you've been struggling with the everyday discomfort that comes with aging muscles. But the benefits don't stop there. Research shows that tart cherry juice can be particularly effective in speeding up recovery after exercise, which is great news for anyone who's trying to stay active. For older adults, staying physically active is essential, but soreness after movement can often discourage you from keeping up with your workouts. Tart cherry juice has been shown to reduce muscle soreness, allowing you to stay consistent and keep moving without that nagging discomfort holding you back. What's even better? Tart cherries can improve sleep quality, which is something that many people, especially older adults, struggle with. Poor sleep can hinder the body's ability to repair itself, making it harder to rebuild muscle after activity. Tart cherries help promote restful sleep, giving your body the time it needs to recover and rebuild muscle tissue during the night. With better sleep, you'll have more energy the next day to stay active and tackle whatever comes your way. It's also important to note that tart cherries are rich in other nutrients that are beneficial for your overall health. They're packed with vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production and skin health. Vitamin C also helps in the repair and maintenance of muscle tissues, further supporting the rebuilding process. In addition, these cherries are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle, making it easier for your body to rest and repair. Incorporating tart cherries into your diet is simple. You can enjoy them as a fresh fruit, or if you prefer, try tart cherry juice. Just be mindful of the sugar content in some juices and opt for a variety with little to no added sugar. You could even freeze them and add them to smoothies, or sprinkle them on top of yogurt or oatmeal for a nutritious, muscle-repairing snack. So if you've been feeling the effects of muscle soreness and stiffness as you age, tart cherries could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Whether you're looking to speed up recovery, reduce inflammation, or just enjoy better sleep, these little fruits can make a big difference in keeping your body strong, healthy, and full of energy. 3. Pomegranate. Let's dive into the powerful benefits of pomegranates. These beautiful ruby red seeds aren't just visually stunning, they're packed with health-boosting properties that can help with muscle recovery and performance, especially for those over 60 dealing with muscle loss or sarcopenia. If you're looking to rebuild strength and vitality, pomegranates could be the game changer you've been searching for. What makes pomegranates so valuable is their high content of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which occurs when free radicals damage your body's cells. As we age, oxidative stress can slow down muscle recovery and lead to more inflammation. But pomegranates help counteract this process by supporting muscle repair at the cellular level, allowing muscles to recover and rebuild faster after activity. Additionally, pomegranates play a significant role in improving circulation by boosting nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide helps dilate blood vessels, which increases the flow of oxygen-rich blood to your muscles. This is crucial for muscle function, especially during physical activity. The added oxygen supply helps muscles perform better, reducing fatigue and soreness, so you can stay active without feeling worn out. For older adults, this improved circulation not only benefits muscles but also promotes heart health, making it easier to stay engaged in daily activities. Research has shown that pomegranates can reduce muscle soreness and improve endurance. For anyone trying to stay active as they age, this is fantastic news. Muscle soreness can often prevent consistent exercise, but with pomegranates, you may experience quicker recovery times, allowing you to maintain a regular workout routine or stay active in everyday life. Whether it's a walk, gardening, or light exercise, pomegranates can help you push through the discomfort and stay on track. What's even more exciting is that studies suggest pomegranates can boost endurance. This means you can enjoy your favorite activities for longer without feeling drained. If you've noticed your energy levels dipping as you age, incorporating pomegranates into your diet might help you feel more energized and ready to take on the day. Adding pomegranate to your routine is simple. You can enjoy the seeds as a snack, sprinkle them over a salad, or blend them into smoothies for a tasty, nutrient-packed addition. If you prefer juice, be sure to opt for 100% pure pomegranate juice without any added sugars for maximum benefits. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet is an easy, delicious way to support muscle health, reduce soreness, and keep you feeling strong as you age. Whether you're dealing with sarcopenia or just want to maintain muscle function, these tiny seeds can make a huge difference. So the next time you see a pomegranate, don't hesitate, grab it and give your muscles the boost they need to stay strong and active. So, how can you start rebuilding muscle? It's simpler than you think. By adding these nutrient-packed fruits to your diet and staying active, you can fight muscle loss and regain strength. Start today. Your muscles will thank you for it. 4. Prunes. Now let's talk about prunes. Yes, those wrinkled little dried plums. You might think of them as just a simple snack, but trust me, they're so much more than that. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals, prunes can have a huge impact on muscle health, especially for older adults battling sarcopenia or muscle loss. First off, prunes are rich in antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress. As we age, our bodies naturally face more oxidative stress, leading to cell damage, slower recovery, and increased inflammation. This can make staying active and rebuilding muscle a real challenge. But prunes help tackle these issues by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, helping your muscles recover faster after exercise, and supporting overall muscle function. But that's not all. Prunes also contain a unique compound that can stimulate muscle growth, IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1. IGF-1 is a hormone that plays a vital role in muscle repair and regeneration. As we age, the body's ability to produce IGF-1 declines, which makes it harder to build and maintain muscle mass. By incorporating prunes into your diet, you may help activate this important hormone and encourage muscle repair, helping you rebuild strength as you get older. In addition to IGF-1, prunes are packed with boron, a trace mineral that plays a key role in supporting both muscle and bone health. Boron helps the body utilize other minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are critical for maintaining strong bones and muscles. This is especially important as we age and our bones become more fragile. The combination of boron and other nutrients in prunes can help keep your muscles and bones strong, reducing the risk of fractures and muscle weakness. Prunes are incredibly easy to add to your diet. You can enjoy them on their own as a quick snack, toss them into oatmeal or smoothies, or even incorporate them into savory dishes for an extra nutritional boost. They're sweet, satisfying, and packed with health benefits that can support your muscle health. If you're struggling to stay active or noticing muscle weakness as you age, prunes could be the perfect addition to your daily routine. They're not just good for digestion, they can also help rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, and keep your bones strong. So, don't underestimate these little fruits. By adding prunes to your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild strength, feel better, and stay active for years to come. 5. Apple. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the humble apple. It's one of the most common fruits out there, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Apples pack a punch when it comes to supporting muscle health. While apples are known for being a healthy snack, they also contain powerful compounds that can help you rebuild muscle and fight muscle loss as you age. One of the standout benefits of apples is found in the peel. The peel contains a compound called ursolic acid, which has been shown to stimulate muscle growth and prevent muscle breakdown. As we get older, muscle loss can become more noticeable, and it can feel like, no matter how hard we try, it's difficult to maintain or rebuild our strength. Ursolic acid in apples can help with that by encouraging muscle growth, keeping your muscles active, and even reducing the breakdown of muscle tissue. This is a game changer for those who want to maintain their independence and strength as they age. In addition to ursolic acid, apples are also loaded with quercetin, a potent antioxidant. Quercetin plays an important role in supporting mitochondrial health, the powerhouses of your cells. Mitochondria are essential for energy production, and healthy mitochondria mean more energy for your muscles. This is especially important when you're trying to stay active and keep your muscles functioning well. By improving mitochondrial health, quercetin helps your muscles recover faster after activity, reducing soreness and fatigue. Whether you're going for a walk, doing some light strength training, or even just lifting groceries, the extra energy boost from quercetin can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Incorporating apples into your diet is as easy as it gets. You can enjoy them on their own, slice them up with a bit of peanut butter for a tasty snack, or even toss them into salads or smoothies. And don't forget about the peel. That's where much of the ursolic acid and antioxidants are concentrated, so it's important to eat it if you can. The apple may seem simple, but its powerful combination of ursolic acid and quercetin makes it an excellent fruit to help rebuild muscle, fight muscle breakdown, and support overall health. If you're struggling with muscle loss or just want to stay strong and active as you age, adding apples to your diet could be a small but impactful step in the right direction. So the next time you're craving a snack, reach for an apple. It's a natural and delicious way to fuel your body and support your muscles as you grow stronger every day. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How can I really start rebuilding my muscles at this stage in life? Well, you're not alone in that question. The truth is, rebuilding muscle after 60 isn't as difficult as it might seem. With the right approach, eating the right foods, getting enough rest, and staying active, you can reverse some of the effects of sarcopenia and build back strength. These fruits are just the beginning, and when combined with regular movement and proper nutrition, they can make a world of difference. If you're serious about rebuilding muscle, don't wait. Take action today by incorporating these powerful fruits into your meals and give your muscles the support they deserve. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.